Welcome back, students. I'm Neeraj Walian from Rank Made Easy, and I welcome you again with a new question to help you prepare for your selective school exam. So let's start. Let's read the question. A tap can fill a cistern in 8 hours, and another tap can empty it in 16 hours. If both the taps are open, the time in hours taken to fill the tank will be. So, as usual, most important thing in the question is to understand what is the information given there and what is the information being asked for. To understand this question, it will be easy if we draw a diagram, simple diagram, and then try to understand. So let's do that. So here is a cistern, and this is one tap. This is filling it, and there is another tap. This is emptying it. This is taking 8 hours to fill it, and this is taking 16 hours to empty it. And this is, let us say, this tap name is A, and this tap name is B. This much information is given in the question. And what is being asked for? If both are working, A and B, both are working together, how much time it will take to fill it completely? This is the question. This is the information asked for. So before we attempt this question, we need to understand a concept, how to represent the work in mathematical terms. So let us say if you are doing something and your dad asks you, hey, are you done? How much you are done? So what will you say? If you are done half of the work, then you will say, I'm done half, but how will you represent it in mathematical terms? You will represent by 1, by 2. If you are done 1/4 or quarter, how will you represent in mathematical terms? 1 out of 4. And if you are done completely, you will represent by 1. This is very important concept to understand. Okay? Hope this is clear to you. Let's move to the next step. We need to let's draw another diagram to understand the solution part, to approach the question for solution. So there are 3 entities, tap A, tap B, time, and work. So tap A takes 8 hours to complete how much work? Complete fully, 1. Tap B takes 16 hours to complete work, how much? To complete it fully. Now, it's the time to understand the next concept. If you loan some money to your friend, how will you show that in your balance? You will show that as positive. Even if you have given money to your friend, that is yours. So in your balance, you will show that as positive money. But if you loan money from your friend, though you are having that money in your purse or in your account, that money you will show in terms of negative because you have to pay that back, right? Similarly here, tap A is filling the tank and tap B is emptying it. So work done by tap A will be represented by positive and work done by tap B will be represented by negative. So tap B takes 16 hours to complete the work, but in mathematical terms, it will be represented by negative. So because tap A is taking 8 hours to complete the work fully, how much work it will complete in 1 hour? Simply 1 by 8. And how much work B will complete in 1 hour? Simply minus 1 by 16. If tap A and tap B both are working together and they work for 1 hour, how much work they will complete? That will be sum of their 1 hour of work. 1 by 8 plus minus 1 by 16. Time for another good concept to understand here. How to solve the bracket board mass. We have positive outside bracket and we have negative sign inside bracket. Once we will open the bracket, this positive sign will multiply with negative sign, and you know when positive and negative multiply, answer comes to negative. Or negative multiply with positive, answer comes to negative. If both signs are same, positive multiply by positive, answer will be positive, result will be positive. If negative multiply with negative, result will be positive. So if sign for both of the components of multiplication is same, then result will be positive. If there are opposite signs, then result will be negative. I don't want to deviate from the question, but because this concept is coming there, I thought to spend some time to reiterate it, to revise it. Okay. So let's come back to the question. So work done in 1 hour will be 1 by 8 minus 1 by 16. Now another concept of LCM, least common multiple. When we solve addition, subtraction of fraction, we need to take LCM of denominator. LCM is the least common multiple, like the number which is divisible by both denominators but the smallest number. So in this case, 16 will be the LCM. 8 2 is 16 and 16 1 is 16. So work done in 1 hour will be 1 by 16. Hope everything is clear so far, right? So to make it simple, let us say work is represented on right side and time is represented on left side. So 1 by 16 work is completed in 1 hour by both A and B. You know how to solve the fraction? When denominator move to another side of equal sign, it becomes numerator. So one work will be done in how much hours? 1 times 16 is equal to 16 hours. And which is the option we have here? Right option? Option number 3. So option number 3 is the right thing. So to revise or to reiterate what all the concept we revised or we gone through in this question, how to represent the work, relationship between time and work and the component working there, board mass rule, LCM. So that's why I was saying this is a very good question to revise, because while solving this question, it will ask you to revise multiple concepts, and that's how math works. That's why I love math so much. One thing is connected to another thing. Hope you enjoyed the solution and hope it will help you in clearing your exam. Good luck and see you again with a new question. Thank you so much for your time. Please like and subscribe.